You're ready to apply effects to a solid layer. The fractal noise effect will create the gust of wind, and the directional blur effect will create a blur in the direction the canvas flies. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for the fractal noise effect. It's in the Noise and Grain category. Double-click the fractal noise effect to apply it. In the Effect Controls panel, choose Smeary for the fractal type. Choose Soft Linear for the noise type. Set the contrast to 700 and set the brightness to 59. Expand the transform properties and set the scale to 800. Click the stopwatch icon next to Offset Turbulence to create an initial keyframe at the beginning of the time ruler. Go to 2 seconds and change the X value for offset turbulence to 20,000. Hide the fractal noise properties in the Effects Controls panel. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for the Directional Blur effect. Then double-click it to apply it. In the Effect Controls panel, set the direction to 90 degrees and the blur length to 236. You've created a sense of motion. Now you need to add the wind composition to the balloon scene composition. Switch to the Balloon Scene Timeline panel. Click the Project tab, and then drag the wind composition from the project window into the Balloon Scene Timeline, above all the other layers. Go to 810 and press the left bracket key so the wind layer starts at 810. Finally, you'll apply a blending mode and adjust the opacity to make the effect of the wind more subtle. Click Toggle Switches/Modes at the bottom of the timeline panel to view the mode column. Choose Screen from the Wind Layers Mode pop-up menu. Press T to reveal the opacity property for the wind layer, and then click the stopwatch icon to create an initial keyframe at the beginning of the layer, which is at 810. Go to 820. Change the opacity to 35%. Go to 1020 and change the opacity to 0. Press T to hide the opacity property, and then save your work so far.